Hello and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today we take second step toward grammar. So let's start. Today our first topic is article. The adjectives a, an and the are called articles. These articles are categorized into two parts. First, indefinite article and second one is definite article. First, indefinite article. A and an are considered as indefinite articles. Use of A. A is used with the word beginning with consonant. For example, a dog, a cow. A is also used with the vowel letter having consonant value. For example, a university. Second, use of an. An is used with the word beginning with vowel sound. For example, an umbrella, an egg. An is also used with the word beginning with silent H. For example, an hour, an historical moment. Second type of article is definite article. The is considered as definite article. Use of the. First, the is used to denote a particular person or thing. For example, I hate the girl. The chain you gave me is lost. Second, when a singular noun represents a whole class, the is also used. For example, the cow is a very useful animal. The earthworm helps the farmer. Third, the is also used with the superlative. For example, he is the best student in our class. Fourth, with the name of river, girls, seas, group of islands, mountains and newspapers. For example, the Ganga, the Indian Ocean, the Times of India. Fifth, the is also used before the name of some books. For example, the Ramayana, the Puran. Sixth, the is also used with the noun that are unique. For example, earth, the moon, the Milky Way. The is used with the name of musical instrument. For example, the flute, the piano. The is used with the adjective representing a class of person. For example, the poor, the rich, the weak. The is used as an adverb with the comparative. For example, the more, the better. The is also used with the ordinal numbers. For example, the first, the second, the third, etc. Armstrong was the first man to land on the moon. Okay? Alright. So we continue to our another topic. Our second topic is subject and predicate. Subject. The subject of a sentence is noun or noun equivalent about which something is said. For example, Aisha ate an apple in the garden. Here Aisha is subject because Aisha is the noun for which something is said. Second, predicate. The predicate is all that we tell about the subject. For example, Aisha ate an apple in the garden. Here Aisha is subject and rest of the sentence are something that tell about the subject. Okay? Sometimes it is not necessary that subject should always come first. Occasionally it is put after the predicate. For example, sweet are the use of adversity. Into the bottom sank the snake. In imperative sentence, the subject is omitted. For example, get out, sit down. Okay? Thank you so much for watching and bye for now.